Ellie's back with another English video. In this video, we are going to have another pronunciation practice. But this time, we are going to use our famous tongue twister. Are you ready? We all know that when practicing pronunciation, we need to repeat that word all over again. But the longer we spend practicing that word, it can sometimes make us feel bored, right? That's the reason why we are going to use tongue twister. We are already learning. At the same time, we're having fun. So today, we are going to practice L and R sound. Again, L and R sound. Are you ready? First, let's have the L sound, alright? Lessening levels of lead really lures lily pads. Lessening levels of lead really lures lily pads. Now let's proceed with practicing the tongue twister word by word. First, I will read or pronounce the word first, and when I give you this signal, it means it's your turn to pronounce the word. Ready? Lessening levels of lead really lures lily pads. Very good. Since we're done practicing it word by word, we are now going to practice everything. Okay? Me first. Lessening levels of lead really lures lily pads. Your turn. Very good. But I know you can do better than that. One more time. Lessening levels of lead really lures lily pads. There. Good job. Let's now have the R sound. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Let's practice it word by word. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Very good. Now let's practice everything. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Your turn. You're doing a great job. One more time, please. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Your turn. Great! Very good! And yes, we finished another pronunciation practice video. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye! La, la.